welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how do you put parental controls on iPhone. It's really simple and easy. For this, first of all, you have to open your settings application and then you have to scroll down a bit. You will see this option here, screen time. Just simply tap on it, then tap on this, turn on screen time, tap tap on continue. Now tap on this is my child's iPhone and now you can see it starting at in time. So tap on save downtime and select any category from here. You can restrict for social apps, games app, tap on set app time and scroll down. From here you can select daily uptime limits. I'm going to select 30 minutes and tapping on setup time limit. Now tap on continue and here you have to enter your screen time passcode. And now you can tap on app limits to set app limits for your child phone. Give it your passcode and you can select social and you can select any particular app from here. And then you can select your daily time limit here. Tap on this add and that's how you can easily set up parental control on iPhone. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel.